I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it is. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. Want you, baby, to my side. We know we did together, but we pass it up. We can go on forever. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is that I'll live with it. If it means I'll have you. If we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches. Come with the thing called trust. We don't gotta without commitment. I want you different. I think this is love.
Encourage and follow, and if you will get ready for the night. It's been much awkward today.
Guys, be honest with me for a second. Do you also have so many tabs open right now, and is this how your table is also looking so messy with notes? Because it was me also until I found Ponder. If you're a student, a content creator, or honestly anyone who's trying to make sense of complex ideas, you have probably faced this. You started with one question, dive into 3 articles, open 5 videos, copy paste stuff in your notes, and somewhere along the way, the original thought is gone. Your thinking just gets scattered. It feels like trying to build a puzzle with no picture and pieces from 5 different boxes. This is exactly how I was while trying to write a research paper. The website that I'm using now is called Ponder, and it's been called the world's first thinking space. Not a workspace, not a note app, a thinking space. What does that actually mean? Instead of dumping thoughts in a straight line like in a Word doc or a chat window, Ponder helps to organize your thoughts in a large canvas. So here's how I used it recently. I was working on a research topic that involved 5 different academic PDFs, some podcast audio, and even a YouTube lecture. So I uploaded everything into Ponder, just drag and drop. It pulled all of it into a unified knowledge space where I could literally see everything connected. This wasn't just a folder full of files, it was an intelligent, organized map of what I was working on. Then I started chatting with the inbuilt AI agent, and this part is really crazy because it wasn't just a generic chat bot. It literally understood the context of the materials that I've uploaded, and I could ask things like, what's the main argument in this paper? How does this connect to the podcast? And it gave meaningful direct answer. Every piece of content became part of a bigger picture. I could zoom in and out of concepts, link ideas across topics, and build a mind map that wasn't just aesthetic. It was actually smart. And the best part and my favorite part is the entire process was saved. I could export my thinking as notes, mind maps, or even as structured reports. Like, how cool is that? This is something I have never been able to do with traditional tools. It's like having both an assistant and a canvas for thinking together in one space. And I've been telling you guys a lot that when such tools are available in the market, use it to its full potential for your own advantage. It's all about working smart, not hard. Here's what makes Ponder so different. It's like having a brain right in front of you, like everything inside your brain laid out right in front of you. And this is not just about thinking clearly, it's about thinking with something that enhances it, and that's the future, guys. If you ever feel like your thoughts are too big for a bullet point, or you like your tools that are speeding up your process and making you think deeper, try Ponder. I have linked everything in the description box, including a promo code that you can use. So give Ponder a try and let me know what you think. Hi guys, so before I wind up today's video, I thought I would just come in and give you guys an update on what's actually happening in my life, like where I am, what I'm doing. So currently I am back at home from college to do my internship, and I am doing a work from home internship, and basically I'm working for a Sweden company, and it's been going great. Despite the time difference, it's going great because I get to sleep in, and my work starts at 1:15 p.m. which is great. Like, I love that kind of flexibility, and I can work up to any hour that I want. Just no like a specific end time. If I finish my work early, I can leave, I can stop, or if I'm not done, I can continue to the next day. So it's pretty nice, like pretty decent. I love my job, I love my boss, I love the team, so it's been going great. And apart from that, I feel like I am treating this internship like a side business. It's not my main thing. Like, my main thing is just me chilling, which always will be like that way, because I was so burnt out from the last semester. It was so hectic, and then after that 1 week of exam, which was another chaos. And after all that, I really wanted, like, rest, but rest is not really happening, but I'm trying my best. Also, it's been a great journey. My results also came out. I'm so happy with my results. Like, it's just the same. Like, I have nothing more to do. Like, with my preparation this sem was really bad. That's why there's no video of finals, because I didn't prepare. Like, I used to study the day before exam. Like, that was my preparation. And right now I am reading this book by Chetan Bhagat. This is like a mystery thriller, and I'm into like few pages, and I'm on chapter 4. So far I'm just getting used to the character, and like getting to know the storyline and how and where it could go. Like, I'm on the rising action. Reading this book is because I really love thriller. Like, I've been a huge fan of thriller. Talking about thriller, I do want to talk about this. Recently I watched a series called Why Women Kill on Hotstar. Oh my god, I really want someone to talk about it. Like, I want to talk about this show. It's that good. Like, while watching the show, I was so attached to the character. I don't even get attached to people in real life. Like, that is a big no for me. But me getting attached to fictional character, yes, that's me. And I was so in love with the 3 main lead actors, and they were like amazing. Like, Like, it's so good. Like, just as the name suggests, Why Women Kill, it's like a murder mystery, and it's really good, like really good. And I just want to talk about it, but nobody I know of has watched it, so I'm like really dying to like talk to someone about this show. Like, if you have seen it, please let me know. I want to talk about it. Like, in the comment section, let's talk about that show if you have watched it. If you haven't watched it, go watch it and come and let's talk about it. Like, I literally want to talk about it. I've been drinking a lot of coffee. I know it's not healthy, but I've been chugging coffee to like stay sane, because I've had so many crash outs, spiraling and like going crazy moment. But it's okay, it's all part of the, I think, how this is, how internship work and whatever will be, it'll be like just like that, and you just have to wait through it. Anyways, another Gen Z navigating through work-life balance. Crazy, I know. Like, I cannot believe I am at a point in my life where I'm interning. Yeah, I think I will continue reading, and I'll catch you guys later, or maybe not, maybe in the next video. I don't know, I'm not going to. Anyways, so I will keep reading the book and call it a day.